Good morning. It's Sunday here today, guys. It's so nice, the weather. No rain. It's so lovely, really. So let's just have a tour here, guys. Look, I added here a decoration. Adding more decoration just to add beauty, guys. So ito po yung front yard now, guys. Iniba ko naman po para po new style naman. Saka plants here, I rearrange that one to. Iniba ko naman po. I change the plant. So this is our front yard, guys. It's so live and attractive. Yan po. So punta po tayo dito, guys, on my project, guys. This is the entrance now. The exit, guys. This one will be soon to open, guys. This is my little park. So someday this one will be open. Yan. Marami pa pong kulang dito, guys. So yan lang po muna ngayon, guys. In the middle, I'm going to put there a wishing wall. Then in front there, that one, I'm going to put a sign there. A sign. So let's just wait, guys. Nabubuhay na po yung yung pinorma ko design na heart, kulay heart, yung mga nabubuhay na po siya. So all around po ito, guys. Andito magawa po ako ng ng konting decoration here. So wala pong railings dito, guys. Ayan po. Dito po yung exit. May konting parang bahay kubo. At saka dito po, guys, is magpagawa po ako ni Lando ng konting bench dito para makaupo. Saka mayroon naman pong mga shades dyan. Ayan po, guys. Gagawin ko po ito ng maganda, guys, at maayos. Kasi maganda po yung paligid eh. The plants, the manao. It's really very nice. That one. So cool. Feels like there is a creek here. So ito po yung guys, exit, guys. Ayan. So that place, that's my garden. Ayan. Closer po tayo. My garden, guys. Nice. So this is my little park. So this one will be gonna be nice after ano ko po maglagay ng mga decoration, simple flowers like that. So ito po, pinalagyan ko po ni Lando ng guys, ng parang gate, so I can put here a net and put some outside flowers. Our yard is getting nicer here. So yan po guys, that's my biggest project there, because that place never been cared, so I need to make different ideas. So that's going to be soon to open my little park in the yard. And this is my garden here. Look, they're all blooming guys. So pagsamantalahin ko muna lang ito guys. I-continue ko na lang po yung guys, yung video. Oh nice, oh gorgeous orange color. I love it. So ito hindi pa po nabubuhay guys. Iintayin ko po ito para makagawa po ako ng design. Ganda ng orchids ko guys. So dami pong bulaklak guys, 3. So yan, ang linis na po dito guys. Sometimes I sit down here and lie down. It's so nice. Yan, ang ganda po. Oh, tingnan nyo po guys, yung pichay ko guys, nabubuhay na po. Wow, nice. Ganda. Saka yung lettuce. Malaki na po yung niya guys, leaves. Oh. Ayun. Ganda po. Ito din tumaba po siya. So may roses guys. Yan. Ganda po ng roses ko guys. Oh wow, nabuhay na. Ano kaya to? This might be pichay guys. May pichay na ako dito. Ayan. Tingnan niyo po i-harvest ko po ito later. Ano na po siya guys, fat na po. Ganda. Healthy po siya, guys. Yan. Ito po yung second batch. Nagstart na po siya ng ano, tumutubo na po yung second batch ko na pichay, guys. See the difference, guys? Second and the first. Ayan. So ito lang po, guys, sa ngayon. Sana po na nagustuhan nyo po yung ano ko, guys, yung big project ko, guys, na I called Little Park, guys. So nakakatuwa po, guys. Look at the plants here, they're blooming, guys. May kulay here, oh, very gorgeous. Ayan, nice po. So the dogs, look at the dogs there, they love sitting there. So thanks everyone for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thanks for now, bye.